In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency from Tonkeeper to OKX. This guide will take you through each step of the process to ensure a smooth transfer of your funds. Start by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app loads, navigate to the wallet section, which is typically found at the bottom of the screen. This area allows you to manage your cryptocurrencies and view your balances. Next, tap on the deposit option. This will bring up a list of available cryptocurrencies for deposit. From this list, select TON to initiate the transfer process for that specific cryptocurrency. After selecting 2.0, you will need to choose the network. For TO2, ensure that you select the 2.0 blockchain, as this is necessary for the transaction to be processed correctly. Once you make your selection, you will see your deposit address appear on the screen. Copy this deposit address carefully. This address is crucial as it directs your funds to your OKX wallet. Make sure to double check the address after copying to avoid any errors during the transfer. Now, open your Tonkeeper app. Once it is open, find and select tone or the specific cryptocurrency you want to send. This will take you to the wallet interface for that cryptocurrency. Tap on the send or transfer option, which will allow you to initiate a new transaction. You will now need to paste the OKX deposit address that you copied earlier. Ensure that the address is pasted correctly to prevent any loss of funds. Next, enter the amount of TON you wish to send. Be mindful of your available balance and any network fees that may apply. It is recommended to send a small test transaction if you are transferring a large amount for the first time. Before proceeding, double check the address, network selection, and the amount you entered. This verification step is essential to ensure that your funds are sent to the correct location without any issues. Once you've confirmed that all details are accurate, tap on the confirm button. Depending on your app settings, you may need to complete additional verification, such as entering a PIN or using biometric authentication to finalize the transfer. After completing the verification, the transaction will be processed. You may see a loading indicator or a confirmation message indicating that your transfer is being completed. Wait for the confirmation to ensure that the transaction has been successfully initiated. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.